Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn Class 9 Chemistry Chapter Acids, Bases and Salts Part 6. In this part we are going to start with the new topic, acid plus metal. Before that, let us see a note point. In general, metals react with acids to give salt and gases. The gas that is generally released by HCl is hydrogen, but acids like H2SO4 and HNO3 gives different gases. H2SO4 under certain conditions gives SO2 and HNO3 gives oxides of nitrogen like NO2 and N2O. NO is a colorless gas, NO2 is a reddish brown, and N2O is a laughing gas. The chart which we are going to learn is an illustration of the release of various gases when acids and metals react. Acid plus metal. First, we get release of H2 gas. Second, release of SO2 gas. And third, release of gases of oxides of nitrogen. Release of gases of oxides of nitrogen. Release of H2 gas. First, both dilute and concentrated HCl gives hydrogen gas with metals. Example, Na plus 2 HCl gives 2 NaCl plus H2. Second, only dilute H2SO4 gives hydrogen gas with metals. Example, Zn plus dilute H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Third, nitric acid does not give hydrogen gas with metals. The only exception are magnesium and manganese, which give hydrogen gas with very dilute nitric acid. Example, magnesium plus 2HNO3 gives Mg, NO3 bracket 2 plus H2. Then release of SO2 gas. SO2 gas. Only concentrated H2SO4 gives SO2 gas with metals. Example, Zn plus concentrated 2H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus 2H2O plus SO2. Then release of gases of oxides of nitrogen. Release of NO by release of nitrogen by dilute HNO3. First, with less active metals like copper and mercury. Example, 3Cu plus dilute 8HNO3 gives 3Cu NO3 bracket 2 plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Second, with noble metals like gold and platinum. Example, 2Au plus 2HNO3 plus 8HCl gives 2HAuCl4 plus 2NO plus 4H2O. Second, release of NO2 by concentrated HNO3 with less active metals like copper and mercury. Example, Cu plus concentrated 4HNO3 gives CuNO3 bracket 2 plus 2NO2 plus H2O. plus 2H2O. Third, release of laughing gas by dilute HNO3 with more active metals like zinc. 4. Zinc plus dilute 10 HNO3 gives 4ZnNO3 bracket 2 plus N2O plus 5H2O. Then our next topic is chemistry in life. Myth of cool drinks. Myth of cool drinks. Have you at any time observed the list of chemicals present in cool drinks which you gulp happily by paying $10? It consists of H3PO4, CO2 in the form of H2CO3 and ethylene glycol. These chemicals have harmful effects on the human body. The acids in aerated cool drinks are strong enough to dissolve teeth and bones. Someone dropped a broken tooth in a bottle and within 10 days it got dissolved. Now you can imagine what cool drinks must be doing to your soft intestine and stomach lining. Some like to take cool soft drinks after each meal. Guess what's the impact? Our body needs the optimum temperature of 37 degrees Celsius of digestive enzyme functioning. The temperature of cool soft drinks is very much below 37 degree and close to 0 degree Celsius. This will dilute the enzymes and stress the digestive system. The food taken will not be digested. In fact, it will be fermented. The fermented food produces gases. It decays and becomes toxic and gets absorbed by the intestine, circulates in the blood stream, and is carried to the whole body. Hence, toxin is accumulated in other parts of the body, developing into various diseases. Not just this, minute quantities of ethylene glycol is used to drop the freezing point below 0 degrees Celsius and to make it soft, drink chill. Such substances are called anti-freezing agents, which prevents water from freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. This ethylene glycol is a slow poison of the caliber of arsenic. It is not funny when you think an aerated soft drink you gulp down dissolved CO2 when nobody would suggest you to inhale CO2. There is a competition. There was a competition at Delhi University who could drink the most coke, and the winner drank 8 bottles and fainted on the spot. Reason: too much CO2 in the blood. Research indicates that if you manage to drink 4 liters of aerated cool drink within an hour, the body accumulates enough of harmful chemicals that can prove fatal. Besides, soft drinks do not contain any vitamins or minerals. Hence, students, put on your thinking caps. Choose the right stuff. Stop drinking a hole in your pocket and let health come first. Go for natural drinks and enjoy the better side of life. Say bye bye and no to dilute. Dil mange more. Healthy suggestion: be natural, have flavored milks, tender coconuts, buttermilk, lassi, and plain cool water, and which are economical and at the same time promote health as they have nutritive value and also a soothing effect on body and mind. Then our next topic is interesting reactions of acids and bases. Acid reacts with active metal to release hydrogen. Then what about bases? One of the characteristic reactions of acid is that it gives H2 with metals. Similarly, is there any base which gives H2 with metals? In general, basic solutions do not give H2 with metals, but as exceptions, NaOH and AlOH bracket 3 gives H2 gas with zinc and tin. 2NaOH plus Zn gives Na2ZNO2 plus H2 gas. 2NaOH plus Sn plus H2O water gives Na2SNO3 plus 2H2. Yes. This is called sodium zincate and this is called sodium stannate. Then our next topic is uses of acids. Uses of acids. Boric acid H3BO3 is the formula. It is used in eye wash or antiseptic. Then citric acid formula is C6H9O7, uses food preservation, vitamin C. Third is oxalic acid formula is COOH bracket 2 COH whole 2 and its uses is ink stain remover. Fourth is carbonic acid formula H2CO3 and uses flavoring drinks. Acid. Fifth is acetic acid formula is CH3COOH, uses table vinegar cooking. Sixth is tartaric acid C4H6O6, uses baking powder. Seventh is hydrochloric acid formula is HCl, uses cleaning of metals. Eighth is benzoic acid formula C6H5 2COOH, uses preservation of food and making perfumes and medicines. Acid nitric acid formula HNO3, it is used in explosives. Phosphoric acid H3PO4, it is used in fertilizers. Then our next topic is aqua regia. Aqua regia. Gold and platinum are said to be noble metals as they do not enter into any reaction normally, but even these noble metals can be made to react in presence of a combination of certain acids. This is mixture of acids called aqua regia. A mixture of 1 volume of concentrated nitric acid and 3 volumes of concentrated hydrochloric acid is called aqua regia. Gold and platinum during the reaction dissolves in aqua regia. The reactions proceeds like liberation of nascent chlorine HNO3 plus 3HCl gives NOCl plus 2H2O plus 2Cl and formation of auric chloride Au plus 3Cl gives AuCl3 auric chloride. Formation of AuCl3 plus HCl, AuCl3 plus HCl gives HaUCl4. In reaction of platinum, the nascent chlorine reacts with platinum, formation of platinic chloride, formation of platinic acid. Note that Bohr used aqua regia for dissolving his gold medal, which he regained later on. Now know the sarcastic truth behind aqua regia. Watch out, this is an eye popper. Gold polishers, the magicians for our so-called wise ladies, are happily unaware for the sarcastic truth behind the magical work. Well, the reality is far from the sparkling new look they give to your old gold ornaments. The liquid that the gold polisher uses to polish your gold and platinum is jiffy, in fact, only reduces its weight. Do you know that the solution is the aqua regia? The solution is aqua regia. Each time you get into ornaments polished, the topmost layer gets dissolved in the solution quickly, resulting in the loss of its weight. The gold is again recovered back from the solution and utilized once again by the tricky gold polishers. Hence, your precious metals not only sparkle but also disappear. Now, the truth is out and the ball is in your court, and the decision is completely yours. Do not entertain such tricksters. Approach only a authorized dealer. Then our next topic is bases. We'll learn what are bases, classification of bases, strong alkali, weak alkali, based on concentration, based on acidity, based on strength, then general methods of preparation of bases. This topic we will learn in part 7. I hope you have understood till this. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 7.